Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Now today let's continue our skirt. Okay, now I've joined the side seam, okay, and I've pressed my hem. Okay, so now just 1 inch. So the pleat, I'm gonna open up the press hem and then fold it back, and I'm gonna sew from the folded edge to the single edge. But today I'll take you to the machine, so I'll just pin it for you to see it. And I'm gonna also pin the waistband and show it to you before we go to the machine. White. Anyway, it's hard to see. So when I finish, this is how it's gonna look like. Properly done, because the pins are holding it, so it's not smooth yet. Okay, so there. Now I'm gonna pin the waistband to it, and I'll be back. So hold on. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, I've pinned the waistband to it. Okay, and then I'm gonna stitch it, but I'll stitch the bottom pleat first. Okay, I'm trying different method of shooting my video, so I hope this works. Turn it. Okay, let's see. Make sure. After I press it, it should be okay. There we go. And then I'm gonna stitch the slanted pleat at the top. I pinned it already, so